Hello, Linux enthusiasts! Welcome back to Decoding DevOps. Today, we're diving into the world of CentOS 9, exploring the step-by-step process of creating an XFS partition in Linux. Whether you're a CentOS, Red Hat, or RHEL user, this guide is tailored just for you. Let's get started.
Creating a partition in Linux is a fundamental skill. Why is it important to know how to create an XFS partition in CentOS 9?
Good question. XFS is a high-performance, journaling file system that's ideal for enterprise-level applications. It's optimized for scalability, reliability, and high-performance data access. So, knowing how to create an XFS partition is essential for managing large-scale data applications.
That makes sense. So, what are the steps involved in creating an XFS partition in CentOS 9?
First, we use the lsblk command to understand our hard drives. Then, we use the fdisk command to create and configure an XFS partition on CentOS 9. Next, we format it using the mkfs.xfs command and create a mount point for the partition. Finally, we edit the /etc/stab file and activate the changes using mounta.
That sounds like a lot of steps. Is it difficult to do?
Not at all. It may seem overwhelming at first, but with practice, it becomes second nature. Plus, we'll provide a link to a blog post with additional insights and a downloadable script of today's tutorial.
That's helpful. Is there anything else I should keep in mind?
Yes, always execute commands with caution, and back up your data before making significant changes. It's better to be safe than sorry.
Got it. Thanks for the tips and the informative tutorial.
You're welcome. Like, share, and subscribe for future Linux tutorials. Until next time, happy coding!